Hello my dear student. Today we discuss about the human brain. As we know, the human brain is very complex structures. It is enclosed in brain box, which is known as cranium, and is protected by cerebrospinal fluid, which act as a shock absorber. Human brain has three major parts or regions: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain, most complex specialized part of the brain, is cerebrum or the forebrain. The function of cerebrum is it is the thinking part of the brain, control the voluntary action of our body. It acts as the stored information. It is the center associated with the hunger, receives sensory impulses from various body parts and integrates it to the hindbrain. The midbrain, it connects the forebrain with the hindbrain. It is the portion of the central nervous system associated with vision, hearing, motor control, sleep, wake, arousal means alertness, and temperature regulation. The hindbrain, which is divided in three parts: cerebellum, medulla, and pons. Cerebellum maintains posture and balance of the body. It also helps in control body movement. The medulla controls involuntary actions such as blood pressure, salivation, vomiting, and the pons, it is involuntary action, that means it helps in involuntary action and regulation of respiration. Brain, the human brain is the command center for the human nervous system. It receives input from the sensory organs and sends output to the muscles. The human brain has the same basic structure as other mammal brains, but is larger in relation to body size than any other brains. Brain is protected by fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, which act as shock absorber. The cerebrospinal fluid is one kind of tissue fluids. It is the part of the plasma, or it has several layers called meninges. Three kinds of the meninges which surround the brain. The spinal cord is enclosed in vertebral column that is connect to the brain. Now we discuss about the coordination in plants. There are the two type of the movements in plants: movement depend on growth and movement independent of growth. According to the movement dependent on growth, there is the several kind of movements which are associated with this movement, and the movement dependent on growth is known as tropic movement. These are phototropies, geotropies, chemotropies, hydrotropies. The phototropies is movement towards the light, the geotropies is movement towards the gravity, and the chemotropies is movement towards the chemicals. and hydrotropism is movement towards the water. The another kind of the movement is also here, non-tropic movements. So these all kinds of the movements we discussed later on. First we see the hormones which control in the plants, all kind of the function and action are controlled by the hormones in plant. Hormones are chemical compounds which help to coordinate growth, development and response to the environment. The plant hormones is also known as the phytohormones. There are the several kind of the phytohormones. There are main plant hormones are auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins and abscisic acid. The auxin is a plant hormone produced in the stem tip that promotes cell elongation, so that the growth is associated with the hormone auxin. And gibberellin are plant hormones that regulate growth and influence various developmental processes including stem elongation, germination, flowering, enzyme induction and leaf and fruit synthesis, means pollen. Gibberellin hormone also associated with the growth of the plant's part as their branch, roots, stems. Such type of growths are caused by the two kind of hormones, the hormones auxin and gibberellin. But the auxin hormones is mostly associated with the growth which is associated with the topmost part or the lowermost part of the plants as the root tips and the shoot tips. But the gibberellin hormones cause the development of the stems and the flowering development and also for the leaf and fruit developments. Cytokinins. The cytokinins are a class of plant growth substances. It is also the one kind of phytohormones that promote cell division. Cytokinins in plant roots and shoots takes place. They are involved primarily in cell growth and differentiations of the cell, but also affect apical dominance, axillary bud growth and leaf synthesis, means falling of leaf. Cytokinins is mostly helps in the division of cell during the cytoplasmic division into the cell. Abscisic acids, it inhibits the growth. It does not promote the growth, means growth inhibitor, the opposite of growth inhibitor, cause wilting of leaves. It promotes the closing of stomata by reducing the water loss. So abscisic acid is the growth inhibitor and the auxin and the gibberellin is the growth promoter hormones. So dear student, they are the different kind of the phytohormones which helps in different functions in the plants as abscisic acid, cytokinin, auxin, and gibberellin, by which the plants can do the all kinds of the functions. Thank you for watching my video. Again I come with a new video in the next class. Thank you.